Today I'm going to teach you how to take all of this and turn it into this. Open this bad boy up. These will all come connected. And bing, 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 in a long line. Make you some spots. Cut your paper to size. Cut your cardboard to size. Bam. Set it in there like so. Put it in there like that. Make your diagram. And as you put parts into it, label them intake, tranny, AC, alt, EGR. Whatever you need to fill in there, fill in. Use different colors for different systems. Exhaust, carburetor. Very easy, very simple, very efficient. Simply wipe it away when you're done. Or toss it. It can go. However you want to do it. Make your life easy for you.